Some of the best-paying jobs aren't flashy, and that's part of what makes them so appealing. These boring careers might not turn heads, but they offer strong pay and steady demand, with hourly wages above $50 and long-term growth potential. Here are 10 overlooked jobs that can quietly lead to financial success. Sales managers lead teams, develop strategies, and analyze performance to drive revenue. Most roles require a bachelor's degree and experience in sales. With job growth expected at 5% through 2034, it's a solid choice for those with leadership and communication skills. These managers oversee IT operations, systems, and teams. A background in computer science or information technology is essential, with projected growth of 15% through 2034. This high-paying role is in strong demand. Pharmacists dispense medications, provide advice, and often administer vaccines. A doctor of pharmacy degree and state licensure are required. With projected 5% job growth, it remains a well-paying and stable healthcare role. Bioengineers blend biology and engineering to develop medical technologies and treatments. A degree in bioengineering or a related field is typical. The field is expected to grow by 5% through 2034. These engineers design and test electronic systems used in everything from consumer devices to medical equipment. A degree in electronics engineering is usually required. With 7% projected job growth, it's a field with lasting relevance. These professionals protect computer networks from cyber threats. A degree in computer science and cybersecurity certifications can help you get started. With a 29% job growth projection, it's one of the fastest growing roles in tech. PR managers shape public perception and manage media relations for businesses and organizations. A degree in communications or business is helpful. With 5% projected growth, it offers both creativity and career stability. This hands-on role involves installing and maintaining elevators and similar systems. A high school diploma and apprenticeship training are typically required. With demand projected to grow by 5%, it's a well-paying skilled trade. Marine engineers design and maintain ship systems and machinery. Most roles require a degree in marine engineering, and some positions may need professional licensure. With 6% job growth expected, it's a solid niche field. Financial managers oversee budgeting, forecasting, and financial planning for organizations. A degree in finance or accounting and prior experience are key. This role is projected to grow 15% through 2034, offering strong income and job security. These careers may not be flashy, but they offer high pay, growing demand, and long-term financial stability. If you're looking to build wealth without chasing trendy job titles, one of these under-the-radar paths could be your best move.